doing the pound, we did the pound dollar, we might as well go and do the New Zealand pound. And just looking at the radar screen, the plan from last week was to buy it above 195.76, so it's pretty nice. We got a pretty 100 pips on that trade, and that was our buying point from last week. And you can see how volatile it has been, particularly Thursday and Friday. It has oscillated pretty much 2 or 3 times at or around the 195.76. The one point I want to share with you here, and it's the same thing with the Euro Aussie, it is the same thing with the Euro Yen, and it's the same thing with the Euro Dollar. Once you have a break above the structure and then it breaks below it and it begins to oscillate, but now there is no capitulation to the downside, then your bias is still up. So if you look at the Euro Aussie, there is coming back below the structure and it doesn't fail, it comes back slightly above it. You see the Euro New Zealand also pretty much the same way. There is your structure, and then coming back above it, you get that explosive move. So the same setup now is happening with the pound New Zealand, and it happened again. You're looking at the oscillations at or around the structure point, and then how it resolves itself. Is it capitulating as it should? If it's not, then it's going the other way. So you're going to look at the behavior at or around the structure points to identify what is happening on the other side. So with this, we want to buy this baby. We are about, I would say, 100 pips away from the structure point, so we want to take it above the high of the day, which is 85. So we are going to buy the pound New Zealand above 196.85, and if I buy it up there, unfortunately the only place I can place my stop is the market side, which is 196.35. Okay, and the next structured point is the 198.23. So we have a good chance of a couple of 100 pips on that trade. On the short side, this is where the only place I'm going to take it short. I mean, I don't want, yeah, I mean, that's the structure point. I mean, this is just like a big gift. And if you want to look at structure, this is the one which is 195.44. So the structure point is 195.76. So this is where is our structure short point right there. So we're going to short it from here. So our short on the pound New Zealand is 195.76. It is our structure short point and our stop. Okay, that is the pound New Zealand. We are going to go long above 196.85. The structure point is 198.23, and the stop is going to be 196.35. On the short side, we're going to go short below the structure point, which is the 195.76. Okay, now